Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Martin CA. In this video I'm going to show us how you can earn 33,000 of uHGT token within 24 hours. So guys, without any further ado, I'm going to go straight to this course. Now if you can see, I call this token, or I did my first video about this token and showed us how the model of this token was launched on Binance few days back. That's 5 days from now to be precise, and the coin was hooked block token, hooked gold token, sorry. And this is the ability for you now to mine the sister token of this one that has been launched on Binance. It's called unlocked hooked gold token. So guys, I've showed us in my previous videos how you can sign up, how you can earn this through quiz and earn through play and earn through referrals, through mining, through staking and all that. So but today I'm going to show you how to increase your mining power and earn more of this token, 33,000 of this token on daily basis without any further stress. So I'm going to do now, I'm going to just, for those that have not signed up, I'm going to drop the link. The link to sign up is on this description of this video. Then for those that have signed up, just follow this process. Click open the platform. Once you open the Wild Cash, you go straight to mining. You click on mining, you tap the basket, the place the road basket or the mining shovel. Click on the basket again. You can see the options. Next, after the one of 10,000 per 24 hours, the next is 16,000 per 24 hours. So the next is 33,000 per 24 hours. So what this implies is that for every 24 hours, you're going to mine this coin, 33,000 of this coin, which is amazing. So they're going to unlock more soon. So, but now it's going to cost you a quite number of this coin that you've gotten already. And the quantity is going to cost you to activate the one of 16,000. It's going to cost you 36,000 of this token. Then if you want to upgrade to the one of 33,000 within 24 hours, it's going to cost you 68,000. Going to cost you 68,000 of this token. So I'm going to proceed to do this because I have about 143,000 that is not on stake already. So from here we're going to deduct from here. So I'm going to proceed because I've checked it. If I stake this within 2 days, I should be getting back what I spent on this staking. So it's worth it, guys. So I encourage you, because the one of 10,000 within a few hours is already exhausted and the other hours will just be wasted. So if you have up to 68,000 of this token, proceed and activate this mining block, minting block. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to proceed. Just click on it. I'm going to proceed. So click on it. 33,000. Okay. I think the way they did it is you can't skip a particular one. So you must do this first. Then you proceed to the next. The next is 16,000. If you have more token, you can activate the other one. So I'm going to proceed. I have a token that can cover the both. So let me proceed. Are you seeing it? So congratulations, 16,000 per hours have been unlocked. So I click got it. Now you can see, say the next is 33,000 So now available goals is 107,000. That's what I have available. So I'm going to proceed now to unlock this nest. So I think the process, you must follow the process. You will not jump, you will not be able to jump each one. So this is going to cost me 68,000 and I have 107. So I proceed. Okay. So what this implies that you cannot activate 2 minting process in one day. So now, you see what it's saying, in 24 hours time, you will come back and activate this. So I'm going to stop this video here. So this video title is going to be how to earn 16,000 of uHGT token. For those that have not subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor to subscribe to enable us or to help this channel grow, so that we'll be able to upload more content. So for those of us that also wants our friends, our loved ones to also benefit from this airdrop and this mining and minting app, please do share it with your friends. Share this video so that this video will be a guide to them, so that they're able to understand how this platform works and proceed with the sign up. So guys, thank you all for watching. God bless you and bye for now.